Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am back with a monthly niche idea video. This is a series that I decided to do, that I would choose 3 niches out of every month and design a t-shirt, a journal cover, and an interior, since those are like the top three things that you guys enjoy on my channel. But I just wanted to show you how you can design for different niches and quickly on Canva. So these are going in a part of the Canva tutorials, but we are just randomly choosing different niches. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I have lots of playlists for different videos if you guys want to watch. We have journal business, print on demand businesses. We have print on demand reviews, Canva tutorials, and more. I even have a Shopify playlist of showing you how to start a brand from scratch. So I hope you guys take a chance and just watch the playlist, learn some things, take some notes, leave comments in the comment section as well. Let me know in this video in the comment section what type of videos that you have been enjoying on my channel. Even share with me some of the things you have learned so far. I'd love to just hear more about what you guys have been up to and what you have been doing, what type of success you've have as well. So if you watched the last video, you knew I had workout, diet, and wedding in the January niche ideas series so far. So we are going to go ahead and spin the wheel, and whatever I get this time, I'll be creating a journal. So it looks like diet is the winner. So I'm going to go ahead and create a journal cover with diet in mind. So I already have my journal cover for a 6x9. So I'm going to go ahead and just put diet journal cover, and it's 12.55 times 9.25. They have templates over here. So I'm just going to type in food and see if there's anything that I can kind of go off of, or anything that would kind of help me out with this one. So I always like to see if there's any elements that Canva already have that I can just kind of use and then go from there. So here's one that says something about a taco. That's like a postcard. Just looking. So I see some stuff with some oranges on there. All right, so not really anything that I want. So I'm going to go ahead to food. So I know a lot of people talk about celery juice. So let's look up celery. So there's some pictures of celery, and then bam, there's one with celery juice. So I can take this picture of the celery and the celery juice. Here, I can open that up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to elements, and I am going to look for just a regular square. And I'm going to, oh, this actually might be a really good color. I'm just going to do like an overcast. You can find a gradient if you want, but it's fine. You can use this one just so it's like not too dark, but you can still tell what that is. So if it's transparent, it's not great to put text over that. But if I do like this, you can still tell what it is, and then the words that I put on there will come out a little bit better. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do my handy dandy line that I like to use to basically tell me where the middle of the page is. So that's there. I'm going to go over to Pinterest, and I'm just going to like celery juice. So I don't know if it's like a plan or a diet. Best homemade celery juice, 10 insane benefits of celery juice, the do's and don'ts. So I know I'm making a journal cover, so maybe we can do a celery juice. So let's like do celery juice diary. And then, so because it's for a diet. So I drink celery juice for months. Fresh celery juice, green juice. Yeah, of course somebody's at my door while I'm recording the video. All right, so I think I have my title for this one. I think I'm going to do celery juice diary, and then we'll figure out what else we might want to put on this cover. So I'm going to see if there's a font combination that I enjoy. There's really one that I love to use all the time on here, but I want to go with something completely different. So this is like my favorite one here, but let's try something different this time. So let's try this one. So black look like it will. So I'm gonna do my celery juice. And then here, I'm just gonna put diary or journal. I'm gonna put journal. And then I'm gonna make that word journal big and maybe like 40. Okay, so my celery juice journal. I'm gonna put that there. You can put something on the back. You can put a quote. I don't know. If you want to, maybe a diet quote. Let's see if we can find a diet quote. Just like for some inspiration or something. So inhale your future. Your body can do it. It's time to convince your mind. Ooh, I like that one. My summer body is in progress. Your body can do it. It's time to convince your mind. I think I like that. So I'm going to ungroup this just because I want to use this same font right here. So I'm going to hit that. So your body can do it. It's time to convince your mind. Okay, so I want to the letter height in some and italicize this, and I'll probably make it a little bit smaller so it's just like a little quote in the back. Okay, now I guess I see what you guys said. It seemed like I started to talk a little bit like lower. But it's just because I be in the groove. I'm also going to bring in these fonts a little bit as well. So it's closer like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and delete my line. And we have a celery juice journal. Bam. So also I want to go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to go to Amazon and we're going to see if they have any celery juice journals. So to see if this is something that you can get into. But I just choose celery juice. Just know that this is a diet niche. So I just chose to focus on celery. So when you go into diet, that's kind of like what you need to think about. You think about the whole niche as a whole. Diet. Everybody talks about diet. But let's break it down with the certain different diets. We know we have people who do the boiled egg diet. We know we have people who do detoxes. So here, someone else has a celery juice journal and it looks like it's selling. It's number 81 in psoriasis. So I am on trend with creating a celery juice diet journal. And I may go ahead and just publish this with a blank interior. I can actually look and see what they have, but that's like one on the first page. It's a log book. So that means even though I just made this up, I did not think about this beforehand. And I think the longer you guys start to do this, the better it will be for you to actually learn how to quickly think on your feet like this. So it says logbook. Let's see. It does have like a logbook. It says amount of celery juice, which is really good. So this will be more quality than what I would have. But this is how you take things to the next step. Because I'm not familiar with the celery juice, I would probably just do a blank line or a dark gray journal and they can basically do whatever they want. But this is someone who took the time to kind of go ahead and create a whole interior for celery juice. And like I said, it does sell. It's actually number 81 right now. It says it sells maybe 3 times a month. It's 81 in psoriasis, rheumatoid disease, multiple sclerosis. So this journal does sell. And it's been out since September something. So it went really high kind of in January 2021. It looked like it peaked a little bit here on February 17th. That was like 2 days ago. Maybe it got a lot of sales. Maybe there were a whole group of people doing the celery juice diet. But how simple was it for me to create this? And then you can simply create an interior for this journal. but this was just an idea I had because I've heard people do the actual celery juice diet. So super simple, all because I used the word diet that I choose from a random wheel. And then I looked on Pinterest to see if there were anything about celery juice. And then I made the journal, and then I also did the research on Amazon. So these are actually going way further than what I wanted it to be, but I think this is really good information that I'm providing, and really good to make you understand how to do research, how to come up with ideas, and how to design for that niche or for certain journal types. So I hope you guys are taking into account some of these things that I'm doing, because this is all off the top of the head. Nothing is planned. The only thing that is planned is the actual words that I'm going to use. And most of the times I will probably just think or say, oh, what do I think about in April? And then write down 3 niches that I think off the top of my head. And then all the research is live in front of you guys. So I hope you really take advantage of how these videos come about and how you see me go through the thought process, so that you can have in your mind, okay, these are the steps that I need to take to be successful in this business. And I hope that helps you guys. Okay, so until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.